Yellowstone is like Earth's way of saying, I still got it. Geysers shoot steam like they're late for a meeting. Bison block traffic like they've got better places to be. They don't. Hot springs look like nature took up painting during quarantine. You'll smell sulfur and think, did someone make eggs? Nope, that's geology. Everywhere you look, nature's flexing like it's on a reality show. The views? Insane. The air? So fresh it should be illegal. This isn't just a park, it's a live-action documentary. And you're in it. Come for the beauty, stay for the bison attitude. Yellowstone. Wild, weird, and wonderfully humbling.